Okay, guys, ladies and gentlemen, this is a short video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can purchase your cryptocurrency from Coinbase.com. So now, if you don't have an account with Coinbase, it's very simple. In our training, this is video number 4. Just below the video, you can click here where it says click here to sign up Coinbase.com and buy your Ethereum. So you click that, and I already have an account. So if you don't have an account, you click where it says get started, and it's going to take you through the process of signing up for an account. It's very simple, straightforward. Just gonna provide your demographics. That's your name, your address, your email address, and they might need some verification because you're gonna be buying cryptocurrency, so they might need to verify who you are. So sometimes it might be right away, or it may take a day or two, but just give yourself time and just provide everything that they need. They might need some identification, or they might want you to hold your credit card and take a picture of yourself. So they'll send all that to your email, and they'll require you to verify your account. But most of the time it's just straightforward getting your account. There should be no problem. All right. So once you have your account set up, then you have to buy Ethereum if you want to join the EtherChain community. So the EtherChain community, the cryptocurrency of interest here is the Ethereum. So now I can click on there because I already have a test account, and you can click on where it says purchase Ethereum, prices. You click where it says prices, click on Ethereum, and right now 1 Ethereum is equal to $234.96 US. Okay, so it just says buy. You can see I already have my bank account here attached to the Coinbase. So all I have to do is, in this case, I can put how many Ethereums I need. So if I need 10 Ethereums, I'll just put 10 Ethereum there, and then I'll select the account, okay, pay with, all right, and I can choose whatever account that I wanted to, because I have several accounts hooked up to this test Coinbase account, okay? All right, so once you do that, then you can purchase your Ethereum. Now, once you get your Ethereum, once you have your Ethereum, you will see right here how much Ethereum you have. Or you click your portfolio and you can see how much Ethereum you have. And now you can send the Ethereum to your wallet, which is this one here. All right, so you go to your Metamask wallet, which you have already downloaded, I hope, and it's on your Chrome right here browser, this extension, and all they'll need is this account here. You'll copy that account number and come back here and send that, okay, and send your Ethereum from the Coinbase to the Metamask. So when you click send here, it's going to allow you to put this wallet address. Make sure you copy the right thing, because if you put the wrong thing, then you're going to send the Ethereum to somebody else, and that's not reversible. So make sure you're copying the right thing, okay? All right, so guys, I'm just going to keep this short. If you have any questions, send me an email, or you can just hit our Facebook group and we can help you, or you can click on the Telegram group, join our group, and you can ask your questions there and we'll help you.